दोस्तों, आपको अगर हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, घंटे को दबाएं, ऑल प्रेस करें हमारी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
So, hello friends, today we are going to talking about a problem in Roblox where something like this showing problem. Friends, this reference this reference codes are showing. If you are also facing this issue problem on Roblox, how to fix it. Today video watch and complete. First time are you going to Play Store and searching Roblox. First time open a Roblox and uninstall this app, and Roblox are reinstall. If you are installing from the official application for Play Store, App Store, this type 2 issue are fixing and Roblox restart to working properly. By following this method, you can also find solution this problem. Friends, if you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.